Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to convert videos to GIF on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This is a native iOS app, and it's pre-installed on your iPhone. But if you don't have it, just get it from your app store. Open the Shortcuts application. Go to the Gallery section right here and look for GIF. You can also search for GIF. Then you want to click on this pink shortcut that says Make GIF, and it will be added to your shortcuts. Now click here. Then make sure that you are in the All Shortcuts section. Simply tap on the shortcut which we've added, and it will open our photo gallery. Select the video from your gallery, which you want to convert to a GIF, and wait a couple of seconds until the app creates our GIF. It will be saved to our photo gallery automatically. So my Open the Photos app, my GIF will be there. That's how you can convert any video to a GIF on iPhone or iPad. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.